Previously on Travel with Chris, we tried the best buffet I've ever had in Asia. It was a hot pot meal that included everything for only $6. But today, we're waking up early and exploring the magnificent Cai Rang floating markets in the Mekong Delta, where we will be having breakfast on a boat and learning how some of the locals live in this magical place in Vietnam. On TripAdvisor, you will see that the Cai Rang floating markets tour is advertised for as little as $31. So how is it that I managed to get my own boat tour for only $8? Well, let me explain, specifically if you plan to come and explore this beautiful place. You see, as soon as you step foot in Canto, your hotel or accommodation is going to offer you the tour to the floating markets. Actually, these tours are offered all the way from Saigon, but you're most likely gonna be paying a lot more than you should, unless you're in a big group. But since I was gonna be alone, I knew this wasn't gonna be cheap. So what I did is that as soon as I arrived to Canton, I started doing my research and quoted around for prices. I spoke to various tour agencies that quoted me anywhere from 650,000 dong to 1 million dong, which I found to be very expensive for just a tour of a few hours. During this time, I was at the farmhouse and I posted a TikTok video that went semi-viral, and one of the guys in the comment section told me that I should add him and he will help me go to the floating markets. So I took the risk and I trusted him. We chatted, he seemed alright, and we organized to go to the floating markets. He asked me to meet him at the Cai Rang floating markets at 6:15 a.m. and there he will find a boat and negotiate a good price. So this is what happened. Okay, come on. So the Grab driver just dropped me off into this little bridge, and then this lady came up to me. She was like, "You want a tour?" I was like, "Yeah, give me a tour." So we're headed there now. What? This looks kind of sketchy. This guy getting a broomstick on the wall. Where are we going? Oh shit. Ciao. Oh wow. Oh, this used to be the trash place. Oh. Come on, come on. This guy just pulled a string out of my shorts. Bothering him. Anyways, yeah, we're about to go to the floating markets right now. But yeah, I don't know what type of floating markets these are. What?
You go 1 hour?
Okay, yes.
300,000.
300,000?
Oh.
Oh, okay. Hold on. So this lady offered me a 1 hour boat tour for 300,000. So I called Wendy, which is the TikTok guy, and I asked him, and he said, no, wait for me. We can get a better deal. You're paying too much. So I'm gonna wait for him now. He should be here like in 10 minutes. And then we're gonna head to the floating markets. I can see them from here. They look so cool. Like, a lot of the people said, oh, the floating markets don't really exist anymore. There's nothing happening. But man, I can see there's tons of boats out there and with a bunch of produce. So I'm really, really excited to try this out, guys. Hiya! So I introduce you guys my Grab driver. And this is the lady that's trying to sell me the boat tour. Xin chào. Real sweet people, as you guys can see.
Mấy cái điểm ấy đó, rồi xong qua bên chợ trái cây, cái vườn trái cây bên kia.
Vườn cây đâu? Ở Ba Láng hả?
Không,
là vườn trái cây ở đâu?
Vườn trái cây phía bên sông.
So my man Wendy from TikTok came through, as you guys can see, and he immediately began to negotiate with the Vietnamese lady. We ended up paying only 200,000 dong for a 2-hour boat experience where they will be taking us to the floating markets, we will be having breakfast on the boat, and then they will take us around the neighborhoods that surround the river. And our final stop will be a rice noodle farm where we will try their famous rice noodle pizza. As I mentioned, before, when I was looking for this type of tour, I was being charged between 650,000 to 1 million dong for the same experience. So the best thing for you guys to do when you come to these markets is to talk to this lady and negotiate a fair price with the boat driver. I managed to get her business card, so in the description, I'll leave the address of the markets and also the lady's details for you guys to contact her if you want to go through the same process that I did. But either way, just like it happened to me, I think if you just go to that location when you arrive, you'll find her hanging around and you'll be able to negotiate a similar deal. Wow, this is so cool. Look at this spot, guys. Amazing. It's so beautiful.
So coronavirus, so the
Oh, it's closed. Wow.
Normally it's open
Yeah.
for the
Wow. There's a restaurant.
visitor visit.
Yeah, that's a floating restaurant.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's
The fruits?
mango.
Wow. Oh, so this is how they do it.
Dạ, dạ hạt tiêu. Được, được.
Oh no, it's okay. Wow. So they
Okay.
Ok.
come on.
Long chán.
Wow. So they just
Rồi, cảm ơn.
Ăn đi em, ăn đi em.
They just grab you, huh?
Dạ, một cái 40.000.
Wow.
40 per kg. 40,000 per kg.
She wants us to buy some. Can we get half a kg?
You want buy? No.
Yeah.
No.
No, it's not. Okay. No, it's okay. Wow, this is real Vietnam right here. Wow, this is so cool, guys. Look. Oh.
Have you read bus?
No.
Okay. We can
Okay.
go around and read
Okay.
bus on the bus.
Okay. Goodbye. Wow. So basically, the people just come up to the boat, kind of like pirates. And they just grab onto your boat and then they try to sell you stuff. Look how many boats is here. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool.
You see the signal in the export.
On the top, yeah.
Yeah. So at the top, so they hand on what the fruits. So they sell that fruit.
Oh, wow, okay. So here, what Wendy was trying to explain is that each boat has a long pole, and at the top of the pole, there is a fruit or the produce that boat sells. So the people know which boat to go to depending on the type of produce they're trying to buy. Wow, look at this lady.
Mấy cái chỗ ấy nó đóng cửa nó chưa hoạt động mở là mình vô hả? Bây giờ chỉ có cái bè của đồng chí mở, chứ sao hoài cũng mở rồi. Vậy thôi à. Ê, mình quá trời.
The pumpkin boat.
Nổi luôn rồi.
These are pumpkins.
Thôi hy vọng là qua bắt đầu Tết này là có Tết thì đỡ. Bây giờ con nghĩ trong Tết này chắc cũng có khách du lịch đi. Thấy hiu rồi đó. Đúng ra là trong Tết này từ đây cho tới 23 Tết đó, có khách không có thôi à. Còn lọt 21 năm nữa hết. Còn chợ thì cỡ 28 này người ta về hết rồi. Ở 13, 14 á, hy vọng. Còn năm nay cũng phải Việt kiều không có về. Dạ đúng rồi. Nói chung là phần lớn này là khách Việt kiều với lại ở ngoài Bắc nó vô. Ở đây là mình chạy du lịch ở đây là nhờ dân Hà Nội Đà Nẵng. Dạ đúng.
After taking a little tour around the river, we came across one of the boats that was selling breakfast. So we got ourselves a bowl of Hu Tieu. It's a soup with glass noodles, and inside you will find pork with different types of meat and mixed with various herbs. Look at all that food, guys. Whoa, that's amazing. Whoa. Oh, come on.
Cho em tô ít hủ tiếu thôi nha. Okay.
Oh, look what we got here, guys. Oh, Jimmy, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're eating on a boat. Wow.
Rồi lấy tiền luôn nha.
Come on.
Như vậy?
Wow, so this is the restaurant right here.
Lên 40 tô hả?
Dạ.
Dữ vậy? Trời ơi. Mắc gì? Trời.
Come on.
Lên để ăn có cái xíu à, 45.000 á. Hello.
Okay, come on. Thank you. 80,000 for this,
Dạ,
guys. Wow.
mình chạy vòng vòng rồi quay lại chú qua rồi ăn xong rồi đi tiếp.
Amazing, guys. All this food for 40,000. Look how good it looks too. Wow. And so in one of my previous videos, I said I wanted a big piece of pork. Here it is. Wow, amazing.
Hủ tiếu.
And so, Hu Tieu.
Yeah.
And so we eat it and then we have to give them back the plate?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're going to review the Hu Tieu
Yeah.
in the floating markets
Fried noodles.
of the Mekong Delta. Oh, look at the rice noodles. There's a lot of rice noodles. Wow. Man, wow.
Yeah, many topping.
Yeah, many toppings. Yeah, he's right. Jesus Christ, look. So nice.
Yeah.
Very smooth.
You can try this,
Let's try the soup.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is so nice. So much flavor.
Yep.
And it has just a little bit of spice, so oh, this is really good. This is one of the best soup noodles I've had in Vietnam for sure. Had these type of noodles before. They're glass noodles, and for some reason they were a little bit stickier, but not so soft. But these glass noodles are different, bro. I would have never chosen glass noodles as my primary type of noodles in Vietnam, but wow, these are really well prepared. And this bowl itself, it just has so much ingredients, so much essentials. Wow, the flavor is so good. Wow, and it's a perfect combination of spicy. Like, it's spicy, but it doesn't overtake the essence of the food. So happy. Wow, this is so cool. This is really nice, bro. This is really cool.
You make the YouTube?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
And TikToker?
And TikToker, yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, final rating for this soup. This dish, whatever it is, guys, it's absolutely fantastic, man. It's so delicious. One of the best noodle soups that I've had in Vietnam. No doubt. Like, I know I say that a lot, but seriously, this one is unique. I have to rate it a 10. Just because of the experience, the taste, the texture, the freshness of everything. Amazing, amazing. We're gonna move on to another place, try some more stuff. So come along. Yeah, let's have a coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah, let's have a coffee.
Cà phê không? Cà phê. Sugar, with sugar, more sugar,
A little sugar, a little sugar.
Chú uống cà phê không? Uống ly cà phê nha. Cho chú ly cà phê. 2 ly đi. Chú đường nhiều á. Cà phê đá.
You stay on the boat and the food markets come to you, bro. You don't even have to go to the food markets. How crazy is that? So it's like people just, they're on their boats and they have everything prepared. Look, this lady has everything to make us some coffee. Wow, amazing. Okay, thank you. Wow. Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure. Wow.
30,000.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, come on. Thank you. Come on. Wow. This is cheaper than I paid next door to where I live.
Bye.
We got a water and 2 coffees for 30,000. Wow, that's crazy. So cool. Like, there's a floating restaurant right there. Ooh.
You try durian?
Yeah, I've tried durian. Yeah. Man, what an experience. This is so cool. Can't believe it. So cool. Look at that. As you guys can see, the floating markets do not disappoint, guys. This is incredible. It's so nice. Now we're going to the rice noodle production. And I don't really know what that means, but it's an attraction here that a lot of people go to, especially if they come by the floating markets. In tomorrow's video, we will be visiting a rice noodle production factory, where we will learn how rice noodles are created, dried, and made to be sold worldwide. We also try one of the best Vietnamese pizzas I've ever had. Oh my god, guys. Wow. Holy shit.
Này nó khoái ăn nga tay hơn gì vậy?
This is so delicious.